Welcome to the second of our two videos designed to support teachers using Achieve. In this video we'll take a quick tour of the teacher view. When teachers sign into Achieve, they are taken to their home page. Along the top you'll see any classes you've created or been added to. The middle section shows recent activity and a calendar, just as it does for students. From here, teachers can access a range of tools to monitor progress and support learning. We'll begin by looking at the Analysis menu. Student evaluations give an overview of how your class have rated their understanding of each learning concept. You can drill down into any student to see where they feel confident and where they've identified areas for development. Student assessments show the Achieve assessment data for each student in the class. Every question they've answered is recorded, and you can zoom in to see a breakdown of their strengths and weaknesses across the course. Course Confidence uses the students' self-evaluations to show how the class as a whole rate their understanding of different learning concepts. It provides a quick way to identify areas that may need further teaching or consolidation. To access this information, teachers simply create a class and ask students to join. From the home page, select New Class, enter the class details and add any other teachers if required. Once the class has been created, select it to view the class code. Share this code with students and ask them to join via the My Courses menu. As students join, they will appear in the class list. Teachers can also create tests in Achieve. This allows you to choose questions from the Achieve database and assign them to a class. To create a test, go to the test editor and select Create New Test. Choose the relevant units and topics and add the questions you want to include. When you're finished, select Done and the test will be created. The next step is to assign the test to a class. Select Assign, choose the class, and optionally set a due date or mark it as homework. Students receive a notification and the test appears on their home page. As they work through the test, each question is marked automatically and at the end they receive feedback on their strengths and areas for development. Teachers can then view a summary of the test results. An overview of the class is shown, and selecting any student provides a detailed breakdown of how they answer each question, along with a summary of their performance against the learning concepts covered in the test. Further class analysis is available in the Test menu. You can view how the class performed collectively against the learning concepts, review a question-by-question breakdown, and issue resits to students who need further practice. Achieve also includes other teacher tools such as quizzers, badges and announcements. You can find out more about these features in the online help guides on the teacher homepage.